Hello Enagic family, hope you are doing well and staying healthy. Our topic for this time is how to e-clean the K8 machine, so let's get started. Please press the settings of the machine at the bottom of the LCD. Then you will see few options there. On the next menu, please select e-cleaning. After that, you will see another screen with e-cleaning instructions on the top and two options, yes or no. Please select yes to move the machine to step forward into e-cleaning. The next screen will be of e-cleaning 1. Get the e-cleaning tank of the machine, fill it up with 2 packs of Enagic e-cleaning powder, add roughly 400 ml of water to it, and then shake it well. Press OK on the screen then. On the next step, e-cleaning 2, please insert the tank and place the cover on it and press OK. On the third step of e-cleaning, remove the filter from the unit and install the cleaning cartridge in its place and lock it down. Press OK to move forward. On e-cleaning step 4, please plug the bottom drain with the red cap as provided with the machine and make sure to point the flex pipe in the sink and then press OK. On step 5th, please press start for e-cleaning. The machine will go in a cleaning cycle for 3 hours, which will be the step 6th. Wait until that finishes up. Once it's done, on step 7th, please remove the red cap from the secondary hose and press OK. On step 8, please remove the cartridge and install the F8 filter and then press OK. On 9th step, needs to remove the cleaning tank from the bottom of the unit and replace that with the enhancer tank and then press OK. On step 10th, please run the water through the machine for 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes, to finish the rinsing. Once it's done, you can start drinking the water from the unit.